Hello, cycling enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the JRC Components Bike Tools, a compact and lightweight multi-tool set designed for every biking adventure. This versatile kit includes all the essentials: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 mm hex wrenches, a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, a chain tool with a hook, 2 tire levers, spoke wrenches, and a T25 Torx head, ensuring you're prepared for any roadside repair. Crafted with chrome vanadium, these tools offer exceptional strength and rust protection, while the durable TPR compound casing withstands the elements. Measuring just 105 mm by 45 mm and weighing only 133 grams, this pocket-sized powerhouse fits effortlessly into your back pocket or saddlebag, adding no extra burden to your ride. Designed for convenience, each tool is easily accessible without the hassle of removing the entire set, saving you time and minimizing the risk of losing any pieces. Its sleek, angular design and striking black and silver color scheme make it not just a tool, but a stylish addition to your biking gear. So, gear up with the JRC Components Bike Tools and ride with confidence, knowing you're equipped for any challenge on the road or trail. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.